मला तुमच्या कम्प्युटर स्किल्स अपग्रेड करायच्या आहे? दिशा कम्प्युटर इन्स्टिट्यूट घेऊन आले आहेत महा डिस्काउंट ऑफर. आता कोणताही कोर्स करा फक्त 1800 रुपयांमध्ये.
आपण आता अहमदाबादच्या मेडिकल हॉस्पिटलमध्ये आहोत आणि या परिसरामध्ये जे मृतांचे नातेवाईक आहेत ते त्यांना भेटण्यासाठी येत आहेत. कासिम अहमद साहेब जे आहेत ते या ठिकाणी आलेले आहेत. त्यांच्या कंपनीमधले त्यांचे जे सिनियर आहेत त्यांचे नातेवाईक या ठिकाणी आलेले आहेत आणि सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे त्यांची जी ऑर्गनायझेशन आहे ती जगभरात अशा पद्धतीनं ज्या ज्या ठिकाणी आपत्कालीन परिस्थिती निर्माण होते, दुर्घटना होते, भूकंप होतात त्या ठिकाणी जाऊन रेस्क्यूसाठी तिथल्या प्रशासनाला मदत करत असते. आपण त्यांच्याशी जाणून घेण्याचा बोलण्याचा प्रयत्न करणार. सर, एक्झॅक्टली व्हॉट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ युअर ऑर्गनायझेशन? व्हॉट इज द वर्क स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ युअर ऑर्गनायझेशन?
Yes, we are based in UK and we work around the world, especially on emergency disaster response. So wherever there is any emergency, natural disaster or man-made disaster, we go there and we try to provide whatever assistance, short-term, mid-term, long-term. And this is obviously also national disaster, rather international disaster because it involves many countries. So the flight was going from Ahmedabad to London Gatwick, and my house is very close to London Gatwick. So it's personally, you can say, personal feeling attached for this. Also, one of my staff member, he's our manager for Bolton branch, Imran Musa. His 3 in-laws, family members, were on the flight. Sadly, all 3 of them also have lost their lives. So personally, I'm here to represent the UK families, those who couldn't come here, for them to understand that yes, at least someone came here to pay their respect and to be with the victims and to provide whatever assistance we can to the injured people and their families and the people, those who have lost their life in the plane or on the ground, to provide whatever assistance to their families.
Are there, along with you, are there some of your colleagues who have joined here along with you for this rescue operation?
Is only our one of our team member, Vijay Kumar, who is head of India. He's with me right now.
What sort of rescue or what sort of help you are providing for all the relatives who have been here and the other parts of your rescue or your helping structure, overall your organization?
We are not in the rescue at the moment in this because obviously the entire area has been taken over by National Disaster Management Committee. The central government working on that. But we are providing assistance in terms of cash support, in terms of their accommodation and their food logistics, whatever they require for the duration of their stay here. Some of them are well-to-do families. In fact, many of them are well-to-do families because they were from UK. But some of them are quite hand-to-mouth situation, labor workers and like that. So we will provide them the necessity for the duration of their stay here.
What's your take? What's your reading? What sort of help is being provided by the Indian government here, or are the foreigners who are being suffering through this? Are they facing some issues? Are there some problems?
Obviously, any disaster at this scale takes a bit of time to put everything in place. And people, they expect everything to be available, all the information and access, which would take certain times. So still, the government have basically set up the team. They have made all the arrangement. Here, DNA is taking place of the relatives to match with the DNA of the dead bodies. And then they will hand over the dead bodies. I believe about 40 dead bodies are almost ready to be handed over. The real challenge is that many of the relatives from Muslim and Hindu or any background, they would like to go to the crash site, that area. I can understand that it is investigation site and is a crash area. Currently examination going on there, but there should be a system where family members are allowed to go there, especially like in Hindu culture. You will find that they will go and they will place flowers, right? For we Muslims, we can pray from distance, no problem. But for Hindu culture, they would like to go and lay flowers or bouquet of flower to the affected area, to the exact site. So I think there should be a corridor giving them access, or there should be a time, that 2 hours in the morning or whatever, a time frame or a corridor for the relatives. So,
You've been working in this sector since very long, but is this a personal loss for you also?
yes, it is a personal feeling because I'm originally from India, and as I said, the flight was going to London Gatwick. So, which means that many of the passengers are linked to South London and surrounding area, which is my hometown. And I've worked at Gatwick Airport, so I was Imam at Gatwick Airport for 2 years basically. So personally, yes, I'm attached to it.
थँक्यू वेरी मच फॉर टॉकिंग. तर अशा पद्धतीनं आंतरराष्ट्रीय पातळीवर देखील जे रेस्क्यू करणारे ज्या टीम्स आहेत त्या देखील अहमदाबादमध्ये या ठिकाणी दाखल होऊन जे मृतांचे नातेवाईक आहेत त्यांची मदत करण्याचा प्रयत्न करत आहेत. त्यामुळे या अत्यंत दुर्घटनेच्या आणि दुर्दैवी अशा घटनेत खरं तर जागतिक पातळीवर देखील अनेक संघटना संस्था ज्या आहेत त्या मदतीसाठी पुढे येत असल्याचं बघायला मिळत आहे. कॅमेरा पर्सन आकाश येवलेसह मी चंदन पूजाधिकारी, TV9 मराठी.
मला तुमच्या कम्प्युटर स्किल्स अपग्रेड करायच्या आहे? दिशा कम्प्युटर इन्स्टिट्यूट घेऊन आले आहेत महा डिस्काउंट ऑफर. आता कोणताही कोर्स करा फक्त 1800 रुपयांमध्ये.
हे आहे देशातील नंबर 1 न्यूज नेटवर्क आणि आपण पाहत आहात TV9 मराठी, एकमेव.